Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. In today's video, we are going to prove that why 3 raised to power 0 is 1, or why anything raised to power, something raised to power, whether you have 2 raised to power 0, you have 4 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 0, 6 raised to power 0, why all these something raised to power 0, why is this 1, right? Okay, so we will proceed with this. Now I will write 3 raised to power 0 here. Suppose I don't know the value of 3 raised to power 0. Okay. I will just leave this space. And now tell me what is 3 raised to power 1. That means you are writing or you are multiplying 3 by 1 times, right? This is exponent. So you will write 3 here. And now what is 3 raised to power 2? Then that means here 3 raised to power 2 means 3 times 3. You are multiplying 3 2 times. So you will write it 9, right? What is 3 raised to power 3? That is equal to 27. That means you multiplied 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. And likewise we'll keep going, okay? But our question is why 3 raised to power 0 is 1, okay? Now suppose if I want to go one step down here, I want to go 3 raised to power 4 to 3 raised to power 3. That means I want to go 81 to 21. What will I do? I will divide by 3, right? If I want to go 3 raised to power 3 to 3 raised to power 2, one step down, what will I do? I will divide by 3, right? Okay. Here if I want to go 3 raised to power 2 to 3 raised to power 1, what will I do? I will divide by 3. Similarly here, now I want to go one step down. What will I do? I will divide by 3. And when you divide 3 by 3, what will you get here? 1. That is why something raised to power 0 is what? 1. Okay. So I hope you understood this. If you like this, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.